Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cherry easily. Yes, the tiny fruit that looks small but spread big happiness. This cherry was feeling a little shy because everyone thought it was too simple to draw. So today we will help this cute cherry become confident and colorful with just a few easy steps. So grab your paper, pencil and a big smile because this cherry is ready to shine on your page. Let's start drawing and make our cherry say I'm cute and I know it.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
And tada! Wow, look at that. Your cherry is hard. Cherry. Your cherry is now smiling happily on the paper and feeling super proud. From a shy little fruit to a cute artwork. See how magic happens with drawing? If you If your cherry looks juicy and happy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Draw more, smile more and remember every small drawing can become something beautiful. Okay? See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and love yourself. And bye bye. I love cherries.
Do it because of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.